Hey everybody, it's TR again from T-Man Performance. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick little update on some of the new product that is getting ready to release. For the last couple weeks I've been talking about our new valve springs, kind of keeping it a little bit quiet until we had some confirmation on dates and stuff. But it looks like I spoke with Joe at JHE Enterprises last week, Joe Hornick, and he said our top retainer should be good and ready to ship to me the first week of next month. So everything going well. We should be able to start releasing these valve springs in about 4 to 5 weeks. So anyways, but I wanted to give you kind of a little update on some of the things that we think separate these valve springs from some of the other ones that are on the market. And what I want to start with is our locks. Our locks are custom made for us by Trend Performance. Chuck out there has done a very nice job on us in creating a nice lock. These are a 8620 steel lock that has been heat treated and then oxidized, black oxidized. Okay, so that's a nice piece. It will keep it tight on the retainers, and I'm just going to kind of show you some of the reasons why we put so much effort into these locks. So what I did on some of the valve springs that we've used in the past, we've gotten some other valve springs that customers have sent us and we've used, and they've asked us to use stock lock or an aftermarket lock. And one of the things that we've always noticed about the aftermarket locks that are available and the stock ones is how loose they fit on the valve groove. So I wanted to kind of give you a little example here. This is a stock Harley lock, which comes on the Harley valve springs and on the Screaming Eagle, and is asked to be used with some of the aftermarket springs that we've received, okay? Or there is a couple other aftermarket ones out there. So if you see when you put this on the lock, it's important to us that you do not have a lot of motion in this lock. When you start to see that movement, then that also will cause chafing, wearing of the lock and of the groove eventually over a period of time. So it was very important when I was speaking with Chuck about this that we wanted a nice tight fit with our locks. And I got this situated here, and if you see here, when you put that on there, you can go in and you can see that there's very little, if no rock at all, and really it has no up and down movement in compared to the other one. And then what's really nice about these, they still have the option to spin on these small valve, on these small stem valves. You want that valve to spin, okay? That keeps from putting grooves and wearing grooves in the top. So anyways, that's kind of a little update on our locks. Now, please understand this is a 7-degree lock that is used with a 6mm valve stem. So this lock can be used with any of the aftermarket springs that are using a stock replacement. So if you'd like to buy our locks individually, they will be available. Probably not right in the beginning on our second batch, which we have another batch coming in. We will start to release them individually due to the orders that we have to fill on our valve springs. Thank you very much.